everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome and super simple salad with not many ingredients. You can use it as a side dish or as a principal. First of all, you'll need 4 cucumbers and cut it into little circles. Add it into a bowl and let's cut some mint leaves. Then cut them into little stripes. You'll need about 1 tablespoon and put it on top of the cucumbers. Then add 2 or 3 pieces of garlic. Then add some salt and some apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon, and then 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then mix it. And this is the result. You can plate it. It is such a simple recipe and it's super delicious. I hope you enjoy it, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.